I have problems spelling out loud in German. The vowels make no sense. In English, you have A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. In German, you have A, E, I, O, U, and Epsilon, which is not a vowel in German. You also have E, Ö, Ü. But let's not even worry about those right now. So, A is A, E is A, and I is E. But wait, in Switzerland, they have a soccer team called the Young Boys, and they play in a place called Wankdorf. It's real, you can look it up. Because Young Boys is a really long name to say, they refer to it by the initials YB, which of course in German would be Ypsilon B. Because Ypsilon B would be even longer to say than Young Boys, they say eBay. eBay, eBay. Makes perfect sense. So, A is A, E is A, and I is E, and Y is Epsilon, except when you're talking about soccer, when it is also E. Sometimes when I'm spelling out loud in German, when I get to the vowels, people automatically think I'm speaking English, even though the rest of the sentence was German, and they will switch the vowels back for me, which is really unfortunate if you have, say, a name with a lot of vowels in it, like Emily, E-M-I-L-Y, or A-M-E-L, Young Boys. You also have E,
Ö, Ü.
you also have E, U, U. Ü.
Nein.
Ö,
Ü.
Ü. Schlimm, ich mache nur ein Video aus Outtakes. Du musst mir helfen.
Ü.
Ü, Ü. And Ü.
Ö.
You also have Ü, Ü.
Emily. Tu doch einfach das Ü zuerst und dann merkst du, Ü habe ich schon gesagt.
Okay.
Ö.
Ö,
Ü.
Ü. Ihr könnt das nie allein machen. Ja, ich brauch dich. Okay.